Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through how to set silent notifications specifically for X for Professionals on your Android device, an updated method that helps you stay focused without interruption. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the customization of your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone. Find and tap on the X app from the list. This takes you to the settings dedicated to this app. Then, tap on Notifications. This is where you can control how notifications from the X app appear and behave. Within Notifications, tap on Notification Categories. Android allows apps to group different notification types under separate categories for more precise control. Now look for the category labeled X for Professionals and tap on it. This category handles notifications specifically related to your professional activities on X. Once you're in this category, you'll see options to customize these notifications. Select Silent. Choosing Silent means notifications will still arrive, but your phone won't make any noise or vibration when they do. By setting your notifications to silent, you'll continue receiving updates from X for Professionals without disrupting your workflow or meetings. The notifications remain accessible by swiping down the notification shade, allowing you to check them at your convenience. This simple adjustment lets you maintain productivity while staying informed. Try it out next time you need to minimize distractions but can't afford to miss important professional alerts on X. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll master silent notifications on Android for X for Professionals efficiently and effortlessly. Thanks for watching.